Have you ever wondered if you can make bread without a single gram of flour? Yes, it is possible. This bread is soft, has a light, nutty taste, and feels just like something you would buy at the bakery. I have been making this healthy, low-carb, high-protein bread, and I do not even buy bread anymore. Let me show you how to make this healthy bread recipe. First, measure out 1.5 cups of sunflower seeds, which is about 200 grams. Put them in a blender or food processor and grind them until they turn into a fine, flour-like powder. The texture should be smooth with no large bits remaining, just like you can see in the video here. Next, pour the ground sunflower seeds into a large mixing bowl. Then add 30 grams, or about 1/3 of a cup, of psyllium husk, which helps the bread hold together. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then add half a teaspoon of salt. Then give all the ingredients a good mix until everything is well combined. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, crack 2 eggs and, using an electric mixer, beat them on high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until they get pale and fluffy, as you can see in the video here. Now, pour the eggs into the dry ingredients. Use a spatula to give everything a good mix. Keep mixing until it comes together into a thick, solid dough. It will feel a bit tough, as you can see here. Next, add 2/3 of a cup, or about 160 milliliters, of boiling water and keep mixing with the spatula. The dough will get a bit softer and more sticky, but after 20 minutes, the psyllium husk will absorb the water, and the dough will become firm and easier to work with again. After letting the dough rest for 20 minutes, divide the dough into 4 parts, as even as you can. Then shape each part into a nice smooth ball, just like you can see here. Place the dough balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each one so they have room to spread a bit. Then, sprinkle some sesame seeds or flax seeds on top if you want to give them a nice touch. Bake the bread in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, or until the tops turn golden brown and the kitchen smells amazing. You can check if the bread is done by tapping the bottom. If it sounds hollow, they are ready. This bread has a really nice crust that is a bit crispy, giving it a nice crunch that goes perfectly with the soft and airy inside, but it holds its shape really well when you slice it. If you press down on it, it bounces back without feeling heavy or dense, kind of like a freshly baked whole wheat loaf. This bread is firm enough to spread butter or any of your favorite toppings without crumbling, but still soft and light when you bite into it. If you like this healthy gluten-free bread recipe, then be sure to check out this ultimate 2-ingredient, low-carb gluten-free bread recipe here also. Check it out now.